Hello guys, so in this video I want to use AI to see how I can compare like different verses of the Yoga Sutras in my desired sequence. So for example, I'm gonna show you a prompt here now. Look at this prompt. Um, so maybe it will not do me justice in showing you the prompt right away, but I'll run this prompt and then you will see. So I want to really compare verses 1.1, 1.3, or 1.3 and 1.10 of the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. So I'm running this prompt here in AI, and I'm saying, as a Sanskrit scholar from Gurukul Kagri and you're an expert in yoga, I want you to explain these sutras to me in detail. Provide me with the Sanskrit, with the IAST format, breakdown of each word, the English translation. Offer me a thorough explanation of the verses, including the meaning and significance in the context of yoga philosophy. Additionally, analyze the Sanskrit grammar rules utilized in this verse, including the sandhi, samasa, vibhakti, pratipadika, and other relevant aspects of Sanskrit grammar. Explain the derivation of each word and highlight the rules of gunas, gender, conjugation, and other grammatical aspects that are applicable. Now let's run this code and see what happens. So here's and here you go. So it's generating 1.1, 1.3, and 1.10, right? So here, now I can go and look up these verses. So what it says here, it says in 1.1 we have Ata Yoga Anu Shasanam, Anu Sashanam, and this is saying now the discipline of yoga begins. Now means the student is prepared. There's a lot more to the meaning of the now here, but I'll just go brief. I'm just trying to show you how you can utilize AI to get more information on specific verses you might want to compare. So you see, it went on to Yoga 1.3. So you can see here it's saying Tada Drashtuhu Swarupe Vastanam, right? Then the seer abides in its own form or nature. This verse describes the state of the seer or the one who perceives when the modifications of the mind are restrained. The word tada indicates a time when this state is achieved, while drashtuhu refers to the seer or the one who perceives. Swarupe describes a state of abiding in one's own form or nature. So we're getting into very deep nuances here of yoga. These verses you can spend a lot of time on them, right? And then we have here abhyasa vairagyabhyam tan nirodha. So abhyasa, practice, repetition, vairagya, dispassion, detachment, abhyam, by means of, through, right? Tan, it's of the mind, nirodha, restraint, control. So the restraint of the mind is achieved through practice and dispassion. Okay? So you have to practice if you want your mind to become disciplined, right? This verse highlights the importance of practice and dispassion in achieving control over the mind. The word abhyasa refers to the practice of yoga, while vairagya means dispassion or detachment. Tan nirodha describes restraint or control of the mind. Now, my aim in this post is to show you that I have a prompt here to say, let me open this prompt. The string is, as a Sanskrit scholar from Gurukul Kangri University. Now you can put Benares Hindu University, you can put Oxford University, you can put whichever university you want here. and an expert in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Please explain Yoga Sutra numbers. So you see I have the Sutra numbers here, 1.1, 1.3, 1.10. Now you can get 1.1 and 2.1, right? Please provide the words in Sanskrit followed by the IST format. So you see I have the Sanskrit here like Ata, now, Yoga, union, Anushasanam, discipline, instruction, right? So the IST format is here. You can, this is the Sanskrit, this is the IST format, this is a breakdown of the words, this is a translation, this is an explanation, this is the Sanskrit grammar analysis, and yeah, you're getting all of that from this prompt. Now, if I want, I can just change this prompt and say, give me from 1.1 to, I can list what I want here. That is the beauty of using AI here now to generate it. And I can tweak this, tailor it to my taste in terms of what am I looking for from this specific voice. What do I want to extract from it? Okay, so this is showing you how you can utilize AI other than you can utilize AI in a very good way here to learn the Yoga Sutras, right? Or to study Patanjali Yoga Sutra. And you can do this by just tweaking this code. So you can copy this and you can place it in your Meta AI prompt on your WhatsApp, and you can change these numbers here, keep the uplifted codes here, and you can just put one verse, okay, and close. Let's say you put 1.1. So, but you can modify in this here where I have sutras. Let me try to highlight that for you. See, here's a prompt, right? I'm saying here, you can go in here and modify this. You can copy, paste, and put different verses here. You can change this Gurukul Kangri University to University of Mumbai or University of Delhi or whichever place, I don't know. And here, well, the Yoga Sutra number is gonna come from for you Sutra number in Sutra. So you pretty much need to leave this here. Provide me all these details. All right. So guys, this is how you can use AI in a very, very cool way. All right. So I'll end this video here, right?